Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make Katsu Curry. Do you know this dish? I'm sure many of you Japanese food lovers, you like Japanese curry. I hope many of you watched my curry Roux recipes. Katsu Curry is a Japanese curry dish with pork cutlet called Tonkatsu on top. I have a Tonkatsu recipe, so please check it out as well. Since it's a Tonkatsu topped with a Japanese curry rice, so I'll do some secret tip to make this dish delicious. So please watch this video in detail until the end. And as always, my family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as our helpers. So are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So Japanese Katsu Curry is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。Okay, let's try. Looks so hot and crispy. So hot. The tonkatsu, the fried pork, it's so crispy and juicy inside. Hot. And I can taste the curry flavor in the meat too. And the homemade curry rice, it's a very mild and comfort flavor. This curry suddenly made my body warm. It's so yum. And the panko is so crispy. In my tartar sauce recipe, I introduced the ebi fry, fried shrimp dish with using this panko. So if you're interested in, or if you're a panko lover, please check that video too. And this homemade curry roux is not spicy at all, so children can eat. ごちそうさまでした。So here are the recommendations and tips of this menu. Tip: the pork cutlet. I recommend to season the pork cutlet with curry powder and salt and pepper before cooking. It changes the flavor a lot, so don't forget it. And tip: and for you who want more curry and spicy flavor, I recommend to add a bit more chili powder or paprika powder and Worcester sauce. And tip: for making tonkatsu, the pork cutlet, push the pork with hammer. Then please reshape the pork cutlet on an original size. If you do that, the pork will not curl during frying. And also you can keep the pork fluffy and juicy inside. All the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was today's katsu curry recipe? I hope you watch my Japanese curry roux recipe videos as well. And for you who watch this video for the first time, thank you for coming. In this channel, I introduce simple and easy and of course yummy Japanese recipes, including baby food and kids meals and desserts. So don't forget to subscribe. And for my subscribers, thank you for always supporting. Your like button motivates me to create another videos weekly. So everyone, don't forget to push the like button as well. So thank you for watching everyone, and we will see you next time. Bye bye!